Looking for the best upgrade to boost your cycling performance and comfort? Whether you're tearing up mountain trails or cruising through the city, having the right pedals can make all the difference. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best aluminum alloy bicycle pedals designed for strength, grip, and smooth performance. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Mzyrh Y05 aluminum alloy bicycle pedals. The Mzyrh Y05 aluminum alloy bicycle pedals are crafted for riders who demand strength, precision, and durability from their gear. Featuring a robust aluminum alloy body, these pedals are designed to handle the rigors of both on-road and off-road cycling. The material offers a strong yet lightweight platform, contributing to a balanced ride experience without adding unnecessary bulk. Each pedal is equipped with 3 sealed bearings, which help ensure smooth rotation and enhance durability by keeping out dirt and moisture. This design not only improves pedaling efficiency, but also contributes to a longer lifespan, even under demanding riding conditions. At the heart of the Y05 pedals is a CNC-machined CRMO steel axle. Known for its high strength and excellent resistance to wear, the chrome molybdenum axle offers a reliable foundation, while the precision machining ensures a perfect fit and consistent performance. The 9/16 standard spindle makes these pedals compatible with most modern bicycle cranks, making them a versatile upgrade or replacement choice for cyclists. Weighing just 370 grams per pair, the Mzyrh Y05 pedals strike a fine balance between durability and weight, making them suitable for a variety of cycling styles, from casual commuting to aggressive trail riding. Their construction and thoughtful engineering deliver a pedal that's built to perform and endure. Next up, at number 4, we have the Krsec K1105 aluminum alloy bicycle pedals. The Krsec K1105 aluminum alloy bicycle pedals are engineered for cyclists who value both performance and durability. Constructed from high-strength 6061 aluminum alloy, these pedals offer a balance of ruggedness and lightweight design, making them a reliable choice for both mountain and road biking. Crafted through CNC precision machining, each pedal features meticulous detailing that ensures a smooth and consistent finish, enhancing both aesthetics and function. The sleek structure reflects careful engineering designed to reduce weight while maintaining structural integrity, an essential feature for competitive riders and enthusiasts alike. What sets the Krsec K1105 apart is its dual-thread design. Each side of the pedal carries a different thread configuration. This distinctive setup can offer added versatility and compatibility with various crank arms, allowing cyclists to adapt to different setups without complications. Equipped with a 3-bearing system, the pedals deliver excellent rotational smoothness and efficiency. This triple bearing configuration is designed to minimize friction and enhance pedaling performance, especially over long distances or demanding terrain. Labeled as MTB ultralight bike pedals, the Krsec K1105 is clearly intended for off-road adventures, yet it transitions well into road cycling due to its slim profile and durable construction. Whether on rocky trails or urban roads, these pedals provide the rider with secure footing and reliable support. Incorporating advanced materials, thoughtful engineering, and a rider-centric design, the Krsec K1105 pedals stand out as a high-performance component for cyclists who demand more from their gear. Taking the 3rd spot is the Racework M215 aluminum alloy bicycle pedals. The Racework M215 aluminum alloy bicycle pedals combine dual functionality and high-quality materials to deliver a versatile and durable pedal option for cyclists. Designed with both SPD locking and flat pedal capabilities, the M215 caters to riders who switch between clip-in and casual riding styles. One side features an SPD-compatible locking mechanism with a lighter spring and a pop-up bracket for easy engagement, allowing riders to adjust the locking and unlocking tension for a personalized fit. On the opposite side, the flat platform provides solid grip for non-locking rides. It includes 8 anti-skid pins on each side, enhancing traction and foot stability even in wet or rugged conditions. Marked with L and R for easy installation, the pedals are user-friendly and efficient. Constructed from CNC-machined aluminum alloy, the M215 pedals are engineered to withstand scratches, wear, and impact while maintaining a lightweight profile. The fully sealed bearing design protects the internal shaft from water and dust intrusion, effectively extending the pedal's lifespan and maintaining smooth performance over time. At the heart of the pedal is a robust chromium molybdenum steel shaft with a universal 14mm screw diameter, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of bikes. Whether you're navigating mountain trails or commuting in the city, the Racework M215 delivers reliability and adaptability in a single, refined package. Coming in at number 2 is the West Biking YP0802 aluminum alloy bicycle pedals. The West Biking UP0802 aluminum alloy bicycle pedals are designed with both durability and performance in mind, combining advanced materials and precision engineering. Built using a CNC aluminum alloy integrated casting process, the pedal body offers a lightweight yet tough structure that resists scratches and wear, enhancing both longevity and aesthetic appeal. To ensure smooth and reliable operation in various riding conditions, the pedals are equipped with waterproof and dustproof sealed bearings. These features help protect the internal components from moisture and debris, thereby extending the pedal's service life and maintaining optimal lubrication for smooth pedaling. Installation is made easy and secure with a universal threaded port that fits most bicycle types. This standard fit allows for a stable connection to the crank arm, minimizing the risk of loosening over time and enhancing overall riding safety. Adding to the pedal's performance is a carbon fiber axle sleeve that contributes to a reduction in overall weight without compromising strength. The use of carbon fiber also boosts wear resistance, making the pedals ideal for long-term use. At the core of the pedal's axle lies Crymo steel, a material known for its high strength and toughness. For enhanced grip and control, each pedal is outfitted with 16 non-slip screw pins. These pins are designed to offer superior traction underfoot and are also removable and replaceable, allowing for easy maintenance or customization. Whether used for mountain biking or urban commuting, the West Biking YP0802 pedals offer a thoughtful blend of lightweight construction, robust components, and user-friendly design elements to support a wide range of cycling needs. And finally, our top pick, the Rockbros K371 aluminum alloy bicycle pedals. The Rockbros K371 aluminum alloy bicycle pedals are engineered to enhance your cycling experience with a blend of durability, performance, and versatility. Constructed with a sturdy aluminum alloy body and a chromium molybdenum steel shaft, these pedals promise long-lasting strength to withstand the demands of various riding conditions. The compact dimensions of approximately 11.8 by 10 by 9. 5 centimeters make the pedals lightweight and space-efficient, contributing to an overall streamlined setup without compromising sturdiness. Designed with a single bearing, the pedals provide smooth and efficient pedaling performance, ensuring that each stroke translates effectively into motion. This feature supports a consistent and responsive ride, whether you're navigating rugged mountain trails, embarking on travel adventures, or commuting with a folding bike. The Rockbros K371 pedals are crafted to be compatible with multiple bicycle types, showcasing versatility that suits a broad spectrum of cyclists. Additionally, Rockbros backs these pedals with a 365-day assurance, offering cyclists peace of mind as they explore various terrains and cycling challenges. This warranty underlines the brand's confidence in the product's quality and reliability, making it a dependable choice for riders seeking performance-focused components. Overall, the Rockbros K371 pedals combine robust materials and thoughtful design to cater to diverse cycling needs with durability and efficiency.